Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Umar, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change the UCS direction in AutoCAD. Suppose we have an inclined object like this and we want to draw a line parallel or perpendicular to this edge. Using ortho command will not help because ortho command follows the current X and Y directions. We could use polar tracking or let's say we can enter the angle manually, but there is much easier way. So let's see how. Before we change it, let's quickly understand two terms. When you open a new AutoCAD drawing, so it automatically gives you a default X and Y axis. This is called WCS or World Coordinate System. If we temporarily change these X and Y directions to match an inclined object, that's called a User Coordinate System or UCS. Simply remember, WCS is the default direction and UCS is the direction you choose for your work. Also, AutoCAD only shows the current UCS icon. It does not display the WCS separately. So let's see how. So let's go to here polygon. I will create one polygon like this. Number of sides 5. I will select the center over here. Inscribed circle, and I will create one polygon like this. Okay. Now the objective is we have to create a parallel line like this. Okay. So for this, what we have to do is I will select line command and I will put on this option ortho, so we can create orthogonal lines or lines that are perpendicular to each other. So you can see I cannot create lines like this because of the user coordinate system or UCS. So we have the current user coordinate system. X is in this direction and Y is in this direction. So what we have to do is we have to translate this coordinate system and also we have to rotate this coordinate system in order to create a line like this. Okay. So I will go to here origin. I will select this origin and I will move it over here. And also I have to match the coordinate system with this. So I will select this point and I will drag it over here. Okay. Now let's try to make some lines parallel to this one. So go to here line command and now I can create lines parallel to this one. Also I can create lines perpendicular to this one. Now you can see the difference. This is the original UCS and this is the current UCS. Okay. So after creating your geometry or after creating your drawing, now let's change this UCS to its original position. So what we have to do is we have to select this UCS, right click and select this one world. So it will be moved back from here to here. And now we can create these similar lines like this because the user coordinate system is back to the world coordinate system. So that's how you can easily change the UCS direction in AutoCAD. I hope this tutorial helped you understand not only how the UCS but also why it is useful. Here is an important message as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative or interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.